In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 best vacuum cleaners for your home on Amazon that are affordable, powerful, and easy to use. The Bissell CleanView 2252 is a great vacuum cleaner for pet owners. It has a triple-action brush roll that removes pet hair and dirt from carpets, and a swivel steering that makes it easy to maneuver. It also has a large dirt tank, a pet hair corner tool, and a washable filter. It works well on carpets, hard floors, and more. You can buy it for $100.81 on Amazon. Are you looking for a vacuum cleaner that is powerful, lightweight, and affordable? If so, you might want to check out the Eureka Airspeed upright vacuum cleaner. This vacuum cleaner has a 6-amp motor that delivers strong suction to remove dust, pet hair, and debris from carpets and hard floors. It also has a durable brush roll that can handle any surface. The Eureka Airspeed upright vacuum cleaner is easy to use and maneuver. It weighs only 7.7 pounds and has a compact design that makes it ideal for small spaces. It also has a swivel steering that lets you navigate around furniture and corners with ease. You can get it for $69.99 on Amazon right now. The Dirt Devil Endura Lite is a bagless vacuum cleaner that is small and lightweight. It has a 7-amp motor that provides decent suction for carpet and hard floor cleaning. It also has a rinseable filter that traps dust and allergens. The Dirt Devil Endura Lite has a 1.5-liter dust cup that is easy to empty with one touch. It also has a 20-foot power cord that gives you enough reach. It comes with an extension wand and a crevice tool for above floor cleaning. The Dirt Devil Endura Lite is a budget-friendly vacuum cleaner that offers basic performance and convenience. You can get it for $54.99 on Amazon right now. The Hoover WindTunnel is a bagless upright vacuum cleaner that delivers powerful cleaning performance for carpet and hard floor. It has a 12-amp motor that creates 3 channels of suction to lift and remove embedded dirt. It also has a HEPA media filter that traps 99.97% of dust and allergens. The Hoover WindTunnel has a large capacity dirt cup that holds 1.42 liters of debris and is easy to empty with a bottom release button. It also has a 40-foot power cord that gives you plenty of reach. It comes with several attachments: a pivoting dusting tool, a pet turbo tool, a crevice tool, and an extension wand for above floor cleaning. The Hoover WindTunnel is an excellent choice for anyone who wants a reliable and versatile vacuum cleaner for their home. It has over 6,400 5-star ratings on Amazon and many positive reviews from customers who praise its suction, durability, and convenience. You can get it for $109 on Amazon right now. The Fabuletta Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a 6-in-1 stick vacuum cleaner that offers powerful and versatile cleaning for your home. It has a 250W brushless motor that provides 24 kPa strong suction on max mode, which can easily pick up dust, dirt, pet hair, and other debris from carpets and hard floors. It also has a LED display that shows the battery level and suction mode. The Fabuletta Cordless Vacuum Cleaner has a detachable 8-cell lithium-ion battery that delivers up to 45 minutes of runtime on Eco Mode and 15 minutes on Max Mode. It also has a wall-mounted charging dock that saves space and ensures easy storage. It comes with several attachments: a floor brush head, a carpet brush head, a mini motorized head, a crevice nozzle, a dusting brush, and an extension tube for above floor cleaning. The Fabuletta Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is an ideal choice for anyone who wants a cordless and convenient vacuum cleaner for their home. It has more than 200 5-star ratings on Amazon and many positive reviews from customers who praise its suction, battery life, design, and accessories. You can get it for $139.99 on Amazon right now. If you're interested in any of the vacuum cleaners I mentioned, you can find the product links in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.